So how can you use the side button on the iPhone 16 Pro or 15 Pro, one of the newer devices, right? So let me explain that. Well, there are actually more things you might mean by that, right? So on the right side of the phone, we have the what's called a side button, the one you use to lock and unlock your phone. But we also have the action button, which is on the other side, right next to the volume rockers. So these are two completely separate buttons, but you can manage both, right? So if you open up the settings, you can find the accessibility section, and part of the touch or physical and motor, you can find the side button. And this is referring to the button on the right side, which you use to lock and unlock your phone. And the settings here include the click speed, which you might want to look into, but also there is what happens when you press and hold on to the button. So you can choose Siri to appear, or the classic voice control, or nothing, right? So this is what you can customize regarding the side or lock button. On the other hand, and on the other side as well, we have the action button, and this has its own dedicated settings menu on the main page in the settings, and you can find the action button right there. And essentially, you just scroll through the options and choose what happens. Usually, people keep it on at the silent mode, or you can make it at the focus, camera, some other things, whichever thing you prefer. There's also a nothing or like no action button at the end, so you can go ahead and not use that at all. Or people want to use a lot of times people are interested in the shortcuts, which can be basically tweaked for anything, so that's pretty useful, right? So you can set up any shortcut and then trigger it with the action button. But these are all of the things which you can use the button for. So most definitely let me know below in the comments if there are some other things you have in mind. Thanks a lot for sticking until the end, and I'm gonna catch you in the future tutorials.